Hey guys, and welcome to this week's edition of Thinkers and Tinkerers. We will be making pinwheels. Pinwheels are a great summer toy and decoration, but they're also the base design of wind turbines, which is an excellent renewable energy source for places that experience high wind. In this project, you'll be able to see how the wind creates mechanical force. These guys are called blades, and they cup the air, they catch it, and they're able to push the blades, which is really neat. I thought you had to blow on them. But just even walking with them makes it spin. And that's all. Follow along on the video for the how-to, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye for now.
To begin making your pinwheel, open the bag of materials that you received from the Ponoka Library. You will also need to find a glue stick. Inside your bag of materials, you will find a piece of construction paper, 8 pieces of origami cut into triangles, a sewing needle, 2 buttons and 2 round pieces of paper, a paper clip, sticky tack, and a piece of tape. Glue the top corner of one of the triangular origami pieces to one of the blue circles. Your next step is to take a second piece of origami paper and glue its top corner to the blue circle. However, make sure to place it at a right angle to the first piece of origami paper. Continue to use the same placement with all the other pieces of origami and go around the circle. The last origami triangle will actually sit partly over the location where the first origami triangle is. Move the corner of the first piece of origami on top of the last piece of origami. Paper rips a bit, that is okay, as the glue will still hold it in the center. Take the second blue circle and glue it into the center of your origami triangles. There should now be a blue circle on both sides of your triangle collection. Take one of the corners of the triangles and roll it towards the center of your pinwheel. Glue the corner down. Continue this process with all of the other corners. Once all of the corners are glued, take the second blue circle and glue it on top of the corners in the center of the pinwheel. Both sides of your pinwheel should now have 2 blue circles on them in the center. The top of your pinwheel is now complete. Set it aside and grab the large piece of construction paper. Roll the construction paper tightly into a stick. The tighter the roll, the stronger the stick will be. Take the piece of tape provided in your kit and wrap it around the center of your roll to ensure that the construction paper stays in its stick-like form. Carefully use the needle provided to poke 2 holes at the top of the stick. Use the needle to also poke a hole through the center of your pinwheel top. Take the provided paper clip and flatten it out. Bend the top quarter of the paper clip at a right angle to stick through the pinwheel. The rest of the paper clip will go through the holes in the stick. Take one of the buttons and place it through the paper clip between your construction paper stem and the pinwheel head. Take the second button and place it on the front of your pinwheel head. Take some of the sticky tack and use it to hold the front button in place. The role of the buttons are to ensure that there is enough space between the pinwheel and the stick so that the pinwheel can still move. Fold the rest of the paper clip around the base of your stem and use more sticky tack to hold that into place. Your pinwheel is now complete.